A marriage between the Municipal Corporation and Correctional Services in St. Mary has seen some much-needed attention paid to improving the state of the Port Maria Cemetery. Krista Campbell has the story.
Chopping, cutting, and cleaning at the Port Maria Cemetery in St. Mary. Under the watchful eyes of police and a correctional officer, several inmates from the Richmond Correctional Facility in the parish are giving free labor to carry out what Chairman of the Municipal Corporation, Mayor Fitzroy Wilson, says would have cost thousands of dollars to get done otherwise. The mayor notes that it was the most pressing need in the parish at this time, as the local authority has received several complaints about the poor state of the cemetery for some time.
Because we would have already done some estimate on how much to get these cemeteries back into. The issue is this cemetery in Port Maria is almost filled to capacity. Therefore, the earning power from this cemetery is not there like a Whitehall or a Anata cemetery that is actively in use now. So there's not much funds coming in from this cemetery to maintain it.
And so he stressed the importance of the partnership with the Correctional Service.
A penny save is a penny earned to us, and whilst it is that Mr. Douglas and the team would have to be stressing to find some funds to do this, then maybe we could look at putting in a center convenience in other cemeteries with that funding or using it for other use, you know. So it's not that we had funds allocated to do this and then we would have those funds to channel somewhere else.
Now, while the two partners commit to working together in other ways, Mayor Wilson notes the mutually beneficial arrangement.
Our inmates may be inside, but I think Richmond Farm Prison is something to get them reintegrated into society, and this is one way that we can, you know, bridge that gap with them to let them know that they are actually respected and also they have use to society, you know.
Now, as for the issue of limited burial spaces at the Port Maria Cemetery and other facilities across the parish,
we're always looking for additional spaces. We have lands identified for cemetery in areas of the parish. It's just for us to do the final preparations and so on, and land acquisition in some cases.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.